are at Jackson Nature Park in Stockdale, Texas. We are about 30 miles southeast of San Antonio, and it is Mother's Day. And of course, what are we gonna do on Mother's Day? We're gonna go outside because it's my favorite thing ever. We originally had planned to go to Blue Hole Nature Preserve in Wimberley, but sadly we had storms this weekend, so we had to cancel those reservations and decided to check out something new. So we're gonna do some fun stuff today. We're gonna check out the park, the trails, and hopefully do some fun challenges while we're here. So come along with us. I feel like there's gonna be some animals. What was that noise? Did you hear that?
Yeah, grasshopper. The click.
Yeah. Woo! Did everybody get sprayed? Because this is marshy, dude.
Yeah, I did. He's pretty red. That doesn't mean they're not out.
Woo! These ants are out and they are busy.
Jimmy's loop.
Can we go two ways?
You going that way? Or that way?
I don't think Jimmy's loop. Oh, Jimmy's loop goes both ways.
Wait, so is it a loop? Like whatever way you take, it takes you back to the other one?
I would assume yes, if it points both ways. Right? Is that an ant hill, guys? Oh yeah, those are the kind that we don't like, actually.
If we don't
Those are fire ants.
Okay, we won't kill it, but look. If we move the plant, you see this?
Holy moly. They don't care about us.
Oh, is that a hive or is it just a swarm?
This is a crazy trail, dude.
How do grasshoppers do that? What?
That's beautiful.
Damn. Oh! Look at that caterpillar! What a little babe. What?
There's a butterfly. It is landing.
It likes us. Wait, was that the same one though? Oh, there's people.
Oh, I bet we're ruining our entire time.
I didn't want you to fall. Okay. What's them? I gotta get higher.
Is that a grasshopper?
Nope.
Swing, Bubba, swing.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Ah! In mud?
In muddy puddles.
Right away? These shoes were not meant for this.
Try to step on that and then go around. Yes. Can you go through? Step right there.
Here?
Yep. And then there, on top of the brushes, or that.
Oh, mommy.
Okay, right through the water. That works too. Oh, he's a big bob.
Big Bob, I just stepped on a fire ant.
Oh.
Think.
Did you guys know that coral snakes climb trees and jump down on your head?
Yeah.
Who wants to do a challenge today?
Me?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna do the blindfolded hike challenge. So we're gonna blindfold one of you guys, and then another sibling is gonna lead the way. And you have to feel like you can trust them. Hopefully they don't let you step on ant mounds or a snake or fall off a cliff.
That way.
I brought a special blindfold for everyone to wear.
Oh.
Including Daddy.
All
right, Bentley's going first.
going first. Yeah.
Good sport, Bentley, good sport. So put that blindfold on, Mr. Unicorn.
Oh, at least it's silky. Wait, I'm gonna lead him.
Yep, so you have to lead him through the trail.
Can you see?
Gotta keep him safe. All right, ready for this?
Is it scary, Bentley? Yes. I don't want to do it. Oh my gosh, I can just imagine the cliff right in front of me. What? This way. I don't want to run into anything. Okay. I can see.
Oh man.
What?
Oh, nothing.
Mommy.
Good,
Oh, what kind of, what is that?
thing?
Oh, tall grass. Bentley!
Oh, you're not helping.
Whoa.
Yeah, there's a lot of grasshoppers out here.
There's a grasshopper on me.
Sailor, watch out for that cactus!
Mommy.
Just kidding, there's not a cactus.
You scared me too. I mean, there are.
You got it. Oh, you're making him run into a tree.
Oops.
Wait, watch your hands.
Keep your hands inside the vehicle at all times.
Oh, there's water. Okay, keep
You gotta
going.
guide him through the water then.
What? Oh no. Stop! Okay, take your mask off.
No.
I don't want to do that.
Do what?
Go through those ant mounds.
Just tell him you gotta run really fast, Bubba.
No.
Go, Talon, you go first. They're all over.
Straight?
Straight shot, go.
Ah!
Go.
What do I stop?
Stop. Keep going.
Okay. I want to see the trail.
Okay, how about we stop this part of the challenge and we move to someone new.
Sailor.
Tell him.
Did you feel safe?
Kind of.
Kind of.
How did you feel about that last little bitty there with the ants?
Scared.
Did you feel like Sailor just abandoned you?
Yes. No, I don't want to do this. Very much. Don't want to do this.
You got this. Or should I say Bentley got this. He's going to protect you.
How are you feeling right now, Sailor?
Scared.
Scared. I feel like we need to keep going. There might be an ant in my shoe. Time to guide Sailor.
Okay, I can't
Alright.
see.
Here we go.
Oh, God, there is an ant mound right here.
What?
We were just standing in it.
What?
Like a,
Ah,
not a red one, a little ant one.
I don't like this. Ah! Careful the stick. Where are we going through with Bentley? Wilderness. What? Big ant mound. Just
Run.
Just keep walking. It wasn't on top of it.
Oh, I just spilt water on myself.
Do you see how big that thing was? Little baby
I wanna see
ant. This isn't fair to me.
Oh my gosh, there's a bald eagle.
What?
I'm kidding. I was just trying to make Sailor jealous.
Oh my gosh. What? I don't know. A very strong spider web touched my arm.
Oh, I think Sailor's head went through it.
Yeah, might have. Am I going off, Bentley? Nope. Not true. What's happening? What is? Oh, ant sting.
Got the?
I think so. Oh my gosh, Sailor, run! Sailor, run! Just kidding. Oh my gosh, Bentley.
Oh, Bentley!
Can I look?
Yeah, you can be done. You made it.
Where the heck
You
are
made
we?
it, Sailor.
I think we might be coming to the end of Jimmy's loop.
How did you feel?
Wait, no, we went Carlton's loop.
How did you feel?
Hot. I think they're still on
Or
Oh.
they're moving.
What?
Whoa.
Oh. It feels weird, Mom. Oh.
Tom, what'd you catch?
A grasshopper.
Oh, I don't know if that's a grasshopper. What is that guy?
Mommy.
What?
Do you know what this is?
catch that.
Oh, that's a
It's
katydid.
a katydid. Oh, look at his mouth. You can see his mouth.
Oh.
All right, guys.
And grasshopper.
I think I'm gonna be brave. Who's gonna guide me? I think it's gonna be Sailor.
Why me?
Well, maybe not, because you weren't so great with Bubba.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. It's a little scary, but then you get used to it.
Oh God, it feels like every step I take. What's happening? You're not telling me to do something. This is not.
You're good. You're good. Everything's fine.
No, but I can't trust you if you're gonna purposely make me run into
No,
stuff.
you're fine. Everything's okay.
But you were doing it on purpose.
No,
Yes, you were.
I wouldn't do that.
Are there speed words?
Big ant mound.
Oh, big ant mound. Where? Where?
To your right.
Okay.
There's a lot of butterflies flying around you right now.
Like, are they landing on me?
No.
I feel like we're going under a tunnel. Are we going under a tunnel?
No. There's
Feels like we're
nothing
going
above
under
you
a
but
Mommy,
the
it's already.
clear blue sky.
This is
There's
terrifying.
a ton of flowers around. Do you smell them? Wow.
It smells so nice.
Cactus to your right. Cactus to your right.
No, it's not there yet.
Guys,
It's not even close to you.
Am I past it? Past
You're
it?
right next to it now.
Okay, am I good? Am I fine?
You're
no more
fine now.
practice?
You're gonna be fine, just right.
What are you doing?
No, just keep walking.
okay.
I don't trust you.
Okay, you're gonna have to run really fast.
Why?
I don't
Because
know.
there's a big
I don't
Ant-Man
Where?
right
Okay, I gotta film.
Where?
here. It's
Right?
starting. It's starting.
Did I make it?
Yes.
Yeah, you made it.
I hear the bees.
Yeah.
I feel like we're under a bridge. I think oh God! Why? There was a spider web in that. I could feel it.
You sure?
Where are you? Where are you? Get back over here.
Hey, that's me. You're scared?
Who votes that Daddy gets to do the challenge next?
Me.
Oh, look at that. 3 out of 3.
Wait, what do you vote, Mommy?
Your turn.
Hmm.
And I'm leading you. Wow, that looks funny.
You look like a narwhal. No,
All right, Daddy.
All right,
All right,
Oh, you
guys.
gotta keep going.
It's kind of scary, isn't it?
A little bit.
Okay, keep walking.
Especially with me as your guide. Yep, there's a cactus coming up here on the right. Suck it in, suck it in. Suck it in. Suck it in more. They were really close to it.
Daddy, oh my gosh, you're about to hit it.
Oh, babe, suck it in.
Daddy, oh my gosh, you almost just touched it.
Okay, you're safe. You're safe. You're
All right.
good. Okay. All right, babe. There's a big branch in the road, so I need you to do a bigger step. No, it's not yet.
Oh,
It's not
Daddy,
yet.
just do
Just
a
big
like
step.
a little,
Big step.
like a
Huge
little
step.
Daddy, like
Go.
a little running start. Good job.
All right. A bridge. Charlie, you don't get to see it, babe.
There's something up there.
Yeah, there is something up there.
It looks like a bridge. I don't know.
Daddy, wow, look at that.
Oh my!
Oh my.
Look at this bridge.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Wave to me, Talon. Hi, buddy.
Wait,
All right,
ready?
we're going across the bridge.
Okay.
Charlie, step up. Yep. Okay, there's a missing board here, so I need you to do a big step. There you go.
Mommy was just kidding.
But he trusts me every time. There's no more of that.
Yeah, there's no
So
more.
take a step down. We're done with the bridge.
There is a cliff right now. All right.
Okay.
Look at this. This is awesome.
I'm gonna just let you go first.
Well, that's.
It's okay. Babe, I'm not just, I'm not making you crash into anything.
Guys,
No,
keep moving.
there's some things in the road.
God.
We're going down a little hill here though. Do you feel like you can trust me?
I can trust you.
All right,
I'd like
Daddy.
to see my surroundings.
Take it
Okay.
off and see how it feels.
Ugh.
Whew. How you feel? Talon, is
Sweaty.
it your turn?
Come on.
That's okay. Have I? No, I haven't.
So many. Lots of them. Just trying to take away spots of deadly bugs and deadly pieces. Oh! That fire ant.
Ready? We're gonna run. Go.
Put me down.
What's that bird? Let me get my Merlina. Couch's kingbird. It's a Couch's kingbird.
Do the outro.
I don't know how to. What do you say?
Do the outro.
Subscribe.
Get outside.
Like.
I don't want to do the outro.